Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So today again we are here. It is chapter 3rd of class plus 1, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Even positive lifestyle also we can say. It is part 3rd. Part 3rd. In first part we completed what is physical fitness, component of physical fitness, what is wellness or what is positive lifestyle or their aim and objectives. So today again we will do this chapter, and now we are doing the component of physical fitness. What is physical fitness means? Without fatigue, if we easily do our daily life schedule or after completion of the daily routine, we have energy to do any other work, any other energetic work also. That is called physical fitness. If I check about the in other term of sports training, then without fatigue how much time we can perform, or with fatigue also how much time a individual can perform the skills of the games, it is called the physical fitness. Components, you know that strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, agility or body compositions. These are the elements, or agility as known as the, nowadays it is known as the coordination related to our nervous system, where reaction, we can say reaction abilities are there. It is related to nervous system. So today speed. You know all the sports, all the games and sports except some, like where concentration or where we can say patience is required, like shooting or archery. In other where physical activity we have to perform, speed, it is a important component of physical fitness. Even speed, if we check about through scientific method, speed is by birth. A individual cannot improve his component of we can say speed not more than 2 to 3%. It is by birth, it is genetic, or it's depend on the type of fiber, slow twitch fiber, fast twitch fiber, which we are known as the white fiber or red fibers. Okay, so speed is the ability to perform a movement and a series of movement. Series of movements in short period of time. Means it is the ability to perform a movement, simple movement we can say. If I take example of fencing, talwar baji, it is a simple movement, a single movement. I have to move my arm like this. So short period of time means less time, or that movement, the velocity, we can speed, how much it is. Or second one thing, series of movement like this, all type of skills, a group of skills we are performing in less time. That is also known as the speed of individual. Speed is the ability to perform a movement, and a series of movement is short period of time, that is known as the speed. There are 5 type of speed. First one is reaction ability. Reaction ability or reaction speed. Second one, acceleration speed, acceleration ability. Third one, locomotor ability. Fourth one, movement ability. Fifth one, speed endurance. If we want to improve our component, that speed physical fitness component, then we have to do practice of these all type of speed: reaction ability, acceleration ability, locomotor ability or speed endurance. I am giving you an example. Suppose it is a track, 400-meter track, or it is the starting point. All athletes, it is, or even for 400-meter, like this. When an athlete is sitting on starting block, starter also we can say, starting block, here, then a shot is there, gun shot, or even in India clapper we are applying, that made of wooden. When that clapper clapped or we shot a fire shot is there, on that time a athlete get up and start running. That condition, after listen or saw that smoke, his reaction, that reaction, it is known as the reaction ability. Means a individual have to perform on the stimulus. From outside he have to observe, or on that sound, or on after watch that smoke, he have to start running. That ability, instant reaction we can say, that is known as the reaction ability or reaction speed. Sometime you know what happen, our hand goes on a hot thing like garam tawa, then automatically our hand come back very fast. That is the reaction ability. But here on that time we don't know our hand goes, but here we know some type of stimulus given to us by the officials, or then we have to run. So that situation, that how much time a individual is taking, that is the reaction ability, reaction speed of the individual. Second one, a individual from here, from starting to the maximum speed, mean from how much time, how much distance he is covering, or how much time he is taking to achieve his maximum speed. Suppose a individual having a 30 km/h speed. If we give him a stimulus from 0 to 30, in how much time he will attain this speed? When we given him stimulus, a fire or that clapper, that is reaction ability, or suppose from till here he will achieve his maximum speed, that is 30 km/h. So what is that? That is acceleration ability. Acceleration ability, acceleration ability or acceleration speed means till here he will achieve his maximum speed, that is called the acceleration ability. Now till here he achieve his maximum speed, then he have a energy to maintain this speed for how much time? To maintain this speed, that is known as the locomotor ability. Locomotor ability, to maintain the maximum speed. Only in 100 meter we can give its example in 100 meter also, but 100 meter is a anaerobic exercise. We have to quote example in aerobic exercise where the oxygen is used, so it is known as the locomotor ability. 30 km per hour, 30 km per hour speed, for how much time he can maintain, that is known as the locomotor ability. One is movement speed, it is known as the movement ability. Movement ability means his movement or particular movement. I given you example of fencing. A movement, how much time, a short period of distance a individual is performing its speeds, that is movement speed. Now after movement, one is given speed endurance. Speed endurance. What is speed endurance? From here reaction ability, till here he achieve the individual achieve the maximum speed, that is acceleration ability. For how much time he can maintain his maximum speed, that is known as the locomotor ability. From here a individual start getting the fatigue, थकावट शुरू हो जाना. During that fatigue situation, for how much time he can maintain his speed after the fatigue, that is known as the speed endurance. Even you know the definition of endurance, what is endurance. Then in fatigue, how much time we can continue a series of movement, we can say a group of movements, for how much time we can perform after getting fatigue, that is known as the speed endurance. So it is the example. Okay, first one is reaction ability. Means respond on stimulus. Second one, acceleration. Means achieve maximum speed from static or zero speed. Means 0 to acceleration, how much maximum, that 30 or 40 whatever it is. Third one is locomotor. Locomotor ability, maintain maximum speed. Fourth one is movement ability. Particular movement in minimum time. Last one is speed endurance. Maintain speed in fatigue, that is known as the speed endurance. For example, if I talk about reaction ability, 100 meter, 200 meter, or even combat sports. Combat sports like boxing, wrestling, in that a sudden move that opponent don't know, like from here a individual can hit, that is known as 100 meters, 200 meter, that start of 100, all the sitting start are under the reaction ability, even standing start also, but sitting one is the real one. Acceleration speed, example of 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter. These are the example of this. Locomotor ability, maintain maximum speed in 200, 100, 400, even 3000, 5000. These are the examples. Movement ability, a sudden move, particular movement. Or speed endurance, same 400, 300, 500, 400, 3000, 5000, 10,000, cross country 12 kilometer, or even in marathon 26.385 mile means 42.143 kilometer. In these we can observe the speed endurance, example of locomotor, acceleration ability, reaction ability. These are the example of these all type of speed. Okay, so today this much. In next topic, next video we will do the endurance. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ.